Rating my fidget board with me. Let's rate my fidget board. I'm too ready with it. DIY fidget board. I love this fidget board too much. This is my fidget board. These are glitter chuckles. I love these sounds. These are so glittery. I rate this 10 out of 10. So glittery. I love these 10 out of 10. Wow, so fluffy and too glittery. This is a real squishy. I love this and I rate this 10 out of 10. This is too squishy. I love squishing it. I love squishing it. Then this is clicking button, paper button. I love this clicking and I love this too much. I rate it 10 out of 10. This is too fluffy. Love clicking it. Chromie, cute chromie. These are beads. I love its sound. These are so cracking and so beautiful. Wow. I rate this 10 out of 10. Glitter pen. I don't love this too much, but I rate it 4 out of 10. Glitters, I love colors and I love. Okay, this is a unicorn diary. I love this so much. These are notes and I written very. I written something in it, but I don't know. I love this. I rate it 10 out of 10. And I love this unicorn. So let us now move on to the next. Now next is these bracelets. I love these bracelets, these sounds, and these sounds you may also love. I love these bracelets. Please see my bracelets. Oh, these I got from my friends. This is bottle digestive cleaning and don't love it too much. I rate it 2 out of 10. I don't love it too much. And these are flowers and marbles. I love this sound and I rate it 10 out of 10. Wow. Then this flower is too good, these marbles. Then this is a glitter hairpin. I love this too much, but not that much. I rate it 6 out of 10. Glitter. Now let's move on to the next. So I rate it 2 out of 10 and I rate 10 out of 10 and this is squishy of hairpin. I love this too much and I rate it 10 out of 10. This is a glitter pen, normal pen. I don't love it. Why did I paste it? This is just like 0. Is my fidget board. Now let's you see my fidget board. I love this fidget board. You also squishy the board. This is too good. I love clicking it. I love this sound. And this not good at all, but
I love this.